Hey everybody, Jeffrey Beamer here from Elliott Wave Options with your trade alert for the week or trade update for the week. This is on trade ID 1010. This alert we sent out to our subscribers last week. Twilio had its earnings announcement in February, and we went a day before that earnings announcement and put on a trade that its intent was to accomplish two things. Number one, take advantage of the higher implied volatility that were in the options, and number two, on time decay. This ended up being just a 24-hour trade. We did this iron condor going into the earnings announcement. We expected a little bit of move with the stock, and the stock did move, but it did not penetrate the break-evens, either the upper break-even or lower break-even of our trade, and we did very well in the trade. So if I bring up the image here, you can see the legs of the iron condor, and then the chart here is where I want to focus. You can see that the stock spent considerable time between our break-evens, which are the light blue lines here, and all we're expecting to do is the stock to stay within this range going through the earnings announcement. So let's move on to the exit of this trade. It was just one day later, okay, 24 hours later, Twilio had its earnings announcement, and the stock did drop on the news. In fact, it dropped a little bit more than we thought, but it still stayed within the break-evens of our trade. We were able to exit this trade with a nice profit of 27% return on risk. That's a 27% return on risk in just 24 hours. And that turned out to be $83 profit in our pocket. Now, before you kind of roll your eyes and think, oh, $83, let's put that into perspective. This is based upon a $10,000 trading account. That is 83 basis points, okay? If you did just one trade a week, okay, over the course of a month, one trade a week, 4 trades at 83 basis points, if you average that out, that's almost a 4% return for the month, and you annualize that out, and you're looking at over 40% return annualized just by doing this one simple trade. So once again, this is a review of trade ID 1010 on Twilio. Hope you enjoyed this quick presentation, and we'll talk to you again soon. Take care.